Hello friends and potential friends. Well, it's been a couple weeks since Milton came to visit, and I've been keeping pretty busy trying to get the garden going, trying to clear things out so that I could get the garden going. I've spent much of my time cleaning up debris, piling it up here, there, and everywhere, as have a lot of other people around here. It's not uncommon at all to hear chainsaws in the background from time to time, but I really just haven't been getting the camera out too much because there's a lot to do around here. I've gotten a lot done and there's still a lot more to do. Oh, there's Mamba. He likes coming outside with Papa. And Snowflake over there lounging. And we even get a little visit from Spooky over here. He's kind of shy still, but he's coming along. A few weeks ago, he wouldn't have let me stand this close to him. Now he's just patiently waiting for supper time. And he hasn't quite, I've stuck my hand out to him a few times. He hasn't come up to sniff at it yet, but at least he doesn't run off every time he sees me now. But anyway, we've been doing a lot of cleanup around here. And when I say a lot of cleanup, people have been busy. There's piles like this all over town. Getting hard to drive up and down the roads. People keep working, trying to clean things up. That's my pile there, or one of them. That's the stuff I brought out to the road. The city supposedly started cleaning things up last week, but they haven't made it to this neighborhood yet. They will. I have been busy though. I got my garden peach tomatoes I planted in the tower here. Got marigolds and nasturtiums in the bottom tier. And then garden peach for 3 tiers. And then I've got some cinnamon and some, where's that other sign? Lime basil at the top. Over here next door, still got some branches down. Got a lot of mowing to do. And other stuff that needs to be cleaned up. Some of the branches aren't completely down, and I'm gonna have to get that thing down sooner or later. But not really too much terrible damage. Just a bunch of debris to clean up. I have got a lot of the garden planted, and I still have plans. I'm trying to clean up my fence line so that I can get that fence charged up again, because pretty soon this stuff's going to be getting big enough to where the raccoons are going to be interested. Still have a ways to go on that, but mostly I'm concentrating on trying to clean up the debris and get the place back into shape. I've got branches down back here that I haven't even looked at too much yet. Some of these trash trees that need to come out of here. Other trash trees that got twisted off and broken, I still haven't got them all cleaned up. And there's another of my piles. That one's getting bigger. Haven't done any weeding back here yet. There's still a lot of that to be done too. But mini orchard came through fairly well. This poor ponderosa has pretty much decided it's time to quit for the year. There's another tree I got to take down. I did take one tree down back here because up until a few days ago I couldn't get through here, and that's where my compost pile is at. So I cleaned up one of the holly trees, and as you can see, I've still got some more that's going to have to be cleaned up. This guy here broke off, but it's high enough up there that I can walk under it, and it's pretty well supported too. There's another one that broke off. And got one tree back here. You can see it hangs out over the edge of the garden over there, and that's broken in a few places, and it's pretty much uprooted down there at the base and destroyed one of my trailers. So still a lot of cleanup to do, and when I get out here to do it, I just haven't been taking the camera with me because there's too much to be done. I can't be stopping and moving cameras every once in a while. Besides which, you don't really want to be watching me build piles of trash. All in all, we did pretty good here in Daytona. We got some areas that are still flooded. We've got, most of them are over near the large retention ponds, and over on the west side of the county near the St. Johns River. And here on the east side of the county, things are pretty dry. In fact, we haven't had any rain in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. But that's okay. I'm slowly getting things done. I do have a salad tower started here. More basil at the top and various kinds of lettuce in the middle, and I can get back to my other storage room now. Just got that done today, but there's still a lot to be done. I'm just working at it when I can, trying to work at the garden when I can, just keeping on. Oh, and there's Licorice. He came to visit too. It's almost supper time. That's why the cats are all up here. Except Mamba. He likes to come out with me. Mamba, you ready to go back in the house? I guess that answers that question. Okay, I just thought I'd bring you out and show you what progress I've made and what progress I still have to make. So I'll see you next time. I got to get in here with Mamba now.